Let's see what we can print out in 3D now. This is Bertalan Meskó, and you're watching the channel of the Medical Futurist. We are living in a 3D printing revolution. Companies such as Organovo or 3D Systems have made significant impact in the last few years. It might not be far away from the everyday use that we could print out medical devices, equipment, then later biomaterials, tissues, organs, cells, and even drugs in the future. So let's see what examples we see right now, what we can print out in practice these days. The first 3D printers just became available at large stores in the US. And now with blueprints behind that, more and more objects can be printed out, and there are more and more object scanners that can be used to create blueprints of these objects in real life. But let's start with even simpler things. Objects and medical equipment. There's an organization called Not Impossible Labs based in California that took 3D printers to Sudan, where the chaos of war has left many people with amputated limbs. And now they can print out cheap prosthetics. In a rural clinic in Bolivia, they can use a 3D printer to create customized prosthetics in the same way. Regarding biomaterials, tissues with blood vessels, heart valve, bone, ear cartilage, synthetic skin have already been printed out, and we will see more and more examples as biomaterials being printed out in 3D. A company called Organovo prints out liver tissues which are fully functional. These fully functional liver tissues could be used for drug toxicity testing, and now they have a new partnership with University of Yale to make sure that pharma companies could use these liver tissues printed out in 3D for testing drugs rather than using animals in the laboratories. Printing out transplantable human organs could actually eradicate waiting lists forever. First, we can expect to see simpler organs like skin, heart, bladder printed out, and then the more complicated ones. But let's focus on drugs. What if we could print out drugs in 3D? A Scottish group led by Lee Cronin has been working on that. They want patients to go to the doctor, get a prescription as a blueprint model about the drug, the right personalized drug and dosage, and the drug could be printed out in 3D at the pharmacy. A whole industry of pharmaceuticals could change because of this new technology. As you can see, 3D printing is one of those trends or technologies that has the potential to dramatically transform the way we practice medicine and deliver healthcare today. Read more stories about 3D printing in my new book, The Guide to the Future of Medicine, and share what you think on the Facebook page of the Medical Futurist. Thank you.